The Indian Railways employs over 1.3 million people, making it one of the world's largest employers. The Vivek Express, from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, covers a distance of about 4,286 kilometers, making it India's longest train journey. The station with the longest name is Venkatanarasimharaju in Andhra Pradesh. The Indian Railways introduced the first solar-powered train in 2017. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway has a unique system where the locomotive is positioned at the back to push the train uphill, offering stunning views.